In this video, you will see how to rotate text box in LibreOffice Writer. As you can see, I have rotated this text box and it's very easy. In the first method, what you need to do is just click on the text box to select the text box. At the right hand side, you will see here the option of properties. Click on this small button. At the bottom, here you will see position and size. Under that, here is the rotation option. Now you can do two things here. You can just enter the rotation angle, for example 45 degree, and press enter on your keyboard to get the rotated text. You can also use this up and down arrows to precisely adjust the rotation degree. You can also use this dialer. You can just click on the arrow here and just move it and the text box will rotate accordingly. Now this is one method. There is one more method. You just have to right click on the text box and then click on rotate. Now here you will see these orange dots. You can only rotate by dragging over to the dots at the edges like this, and then you can freehand rotate the text box like this. In this way you can rotate text box in LibreOffice quickly. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved to your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn more about LibreOffice Writer quickly. See you again in the next one.